What's happening, everybody? We're down here in North Myrtle Beach on the OD to check out. Gotta unlock the door for Bunny B. We're gonna check out HOTO's at the Spanish Galleon. All right. So right here, see the OD pavilion. We're gonna try to go around and enter on the beach side, I guess. And there was a little girl with a camera. She's gone now. All right, here you are in beautiful North Myrtle Beach, home of the state dance, the Shag.
Sandwiches, salads, cocktails, and craft beer. Right up my alley.
Now open, 11 o'clock. Located in North Myrtle Beach, Harold's on the Ocean is a legendary local beach bar and shag club. But to simplify the name with an acronym, it's known to many as just HOTO's. And many will say the party never stops at HOTO's, as the bar is open 365 days a year from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Conveniently located in the shag capital of the world, this place is a Shaggers haven. It's attached to the popular Spanish Galleon, located at the Ocean Drive Beach and Golf Resort, where you'll find Carolina beach music and classic rock throughout the summer.
Oh my goodness, look, they got Hal's favorite, a mudslide.
The outside is awesome, but the inside is something else too. I mean, where else can you listen to 94.9 The Surf live, broadcasting events and updates at HOTO's? And this place may look open and spacious, but it gets packed with shaggers and non-shaggers nightly. HOTO's has earned a reputation with a friendly staff, laid-back decor, and amazing beachfront patio area filled with live music and laid-back vibes. It has been voted Show Club of the Year multiple times and heralded for its summer concert series. You don't think the shag dance is big in North Myrtle Beach? Check out all the inductees. And look, they even have a Charlie Boone Award. Let's go back to the patio for lunch and a drink, which they have a large selection of drinks as you sit and listen to the waves crash. Now what are you drinking?
A peaches and cream daiquiri.
And speaking of lunch, when it comes to the food, they feature items like fresh seafood, steaks, wings, salads, and more.
Yummy, yummy. It's a chicken bacon ranch wrap with french fries.
And I got the smothered chicken with green beans and slaw. got the peppers and onions and the cheese. Delicioso. Our bill came out to be a little over $50 before tax. It is frequently called the best view on the beach. And there's always something going on at night, whether it's bands, karaoke, or just relaxing by the bar with an ocean view. So if you want to have an island experience and never leave the beach, come to HOTO's right here in North Myrtle Beach, home of the Shag, which is the South Carolina state dance. And as always, keep beaching.